welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in. Today we're going to be making mac and cheese. So obviously this is a very common thing that people eat, especially in the States, because it's the easiest thing to make, right? But I'm going to be making it a little different and I'm going to show you how. So let's begin.
Open a packet of elbow or macaroni pasta. Add 1 cup of the pasta into a big bowl. Pour some water over it to make sure that it's completely covered. Place this in the microwave and cook it for 7 to 9 minutes.
So basic mac and cheese is made with just butter, milk, cream and cheese, but today I want to be adding a little more to this, like a little more of elements. So what I add to my mac and cheese is bell peppers. So 1 red and 1 yellow bell pepper along with 1 onion, and you'll see exactly how the procedure goes. It is a little lighter on the stomach. It's not as heavy as the original mac and cheese because I'm not adding so much cheese and so much cream to it, but of course you need that. So I'm going to be adding it in smaller proportions and it is going to taste heavenly.
Turn your gas on. Place the bell peppers and the onion on heat. Make sure it's on high heat. We're going to cook them till they're completely blackened on all sides. Once done, place them in a big bowl and cover it with a lid or a plate. Make sure it's tight. Once the peppers are cooled, it'll be really simple for you to just remove the skin. Make sure that you remove all of the blackened skin off. You can also use a tissue paper to clean it up well. Now just cut them roughly and transfer this into a mixer. Blend till you have a really smooth paste. Just like this. So now all you need for this recipe is the boiled pasta, 1 tablespoon butter, salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon oregano, half cup fresh cream, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs and 1 cup of mixed cheese. So let's get on to cooking the pasta. Place a pan over heat, add in the butter and wait for the butter to melt. Now we add in the puree. Mix this well and cook it on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the salt, pepper and the oregano. Mix well. Pour in the fresh cream. Cook till it starts to come to a boil completely. Add in the cheese. Oh my god, it looks so good already, doesn't it? Add in the pasta that we just boiled. Mix this all really well. Make sure that the cheese has melted well. And transfer this into a baking dish. So I'm making small individual ones. You can make a large one. This serves about 2 people. Cover this with mozzarella, slices or even grated cheese is good. Sprinkle some breadcrumbs and place this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes or till the breadcrumbs are completely golden on top. Remove this from heat and serve.
So I really hope you all enjoyed this recipe and I really hope you're gonna make it. I know it takes a little extra time than a normal mac and cheese, but it's totally worth it. You need to trust me with this. It tastes so good. It has different flavors going on in your mouth and it'll just taste different from everything you've ever tried. This is Diana. She's a new member of our family. So for her, please follow, subscribe and share my videos. Comment if you have any questions. I would love to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is Sneha Singhi 1.